Here's how you can make $150 on YouTube every single day. And the best part is, you don't have to create any videos. Save this video and follow along for more ways to make money online. Now let me show you how. Go to youtube.com and then search for a highly requested keyword. In this example, we're gonna use funny animal videos. Once the videos come up, you're gonna go to filters, click on it, and then we're gonna choose Creative Commons. This will show you all of the videos that have the Creative Commons license, which means you have a permission to use the videos. Find a video with tons of views. This is a good example here. It has 26 million views, so we're gonna use this video here. Next, right click on the video, then we're gonna choose Copy Video URL. Go to Google and type in YouTube downloader and just choose anyone. I'm going to choose this one. Next, you're gonna paste the link to the video, download the video. Now the next step is how you're gonna make money. Go to rumble.com and then sign up for free. Once you've already signed up, you're gonna go all the way to the right of the page and then you're gonna upload the video. Rumble has a revenue sharing program, so you're gonna get paid per review. After you post the video, just rinse and repeat and post as many videos as you would like.